When I first heard about Iceland, I thought it was a myth. A mysterious place where mountains meet the sea and volcanoes lurk beneath glaciers. After patiently waiting for years, it was finally my turn to visit the land of ice and fire and find out if it was real. Having expected sunshine and incredible golden hours every day, I was in for a pleasant surprise. Turns out, when you put mountains, volcanoes and glaciers on a tiny island, the weather can be extremely erratic. So after giving up on hunting sunrises and sunsets, I started chasing waterfalls. There are over 10,000 waterfalls in Iceland, and it's probably the only place where you can stand below a waterfall, go on top of it, or even walk inside it. The more I explored this place, the less sense it all made. Every step that you take makes you feel like you're walking on some other planet. You see terrains that don't make sense, colors that you've never seen before, landscapes that defy the laws of physics, and roads that look like portals to some other universe. In the end, I got the answer to the question I've always asked myself. Why do I travel? Why do humans venture into the edges of the world, leaving the comfort of their homes? Because we've forgotten that nature is not a place to visit, but it is home. No matter what life we build around us, there's always a part in us that wants to break free and be close to nature. There's a thrill in chasing the uncertain that can't be put into words. Places where you have no idea what lies ahead. Places that will make you feel truly alive. We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us.